everyone, I'm going to show you how to set up Gemini in Chrome. So if you want to use Gemini directly inside Google Chrome without opening a separate tab every single time, I can show you how to do that. Let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is make sure your Chrome browser is using the latest version or is updated. So a lot of people skip this and then they wonder why Gemini options never show up. So to check that, go and open Chrome, click the three dots in the upper right corner. Now scroll down and go to Help, then select About Google Chrome. So click on that. Chrome will instantly search for updates. If there's new version available, let it install, then restart the browser. Once that's done, the next thing is to sign into your Google account inside Chrome. So just click your profile icon at the top right and see if you're signed in. Now, after signing in, click the three dots again and open Chrome settings at the bottom. So depending on your Chrome version, you may see a section related to AI features, Gemini, or experimental Google tools. So open that section and look for any Gemini options available. If Gemini in Chrome is available for your account, simply toggle it on. So you may also get options to pin the Gemini icon to your toolbar or allow Gemini to read web page. So you may also get options to pin the Gemini icon to your toolbar or allow Gemini to read web page content, so it can help summarize pages and answer browsing questions. Now, once Gemini is enabled, there are two ways to use it. So the first way is through the Gemini icon in the top corner of Chrome. So if you see this as Gemini at the top, click on it. So clicking it opens a side panel where you can chat with Gemini while staying on the same web page. So just click on Start Chat and start chatting with Gemini. So if you're reading an article, shopping online, or researching something, you can ask Gemini questions instantly. The second way is even faster, so click on Chrome's address bar and type at Gemini and hit space. So type any question or prompt you want. Once done, press enter and Chrome will instantly launch Gemini with your request. And that's basically it. That's how you can set up Gemini in Chrome. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.